This is Pandora. This happens to be the daughter cat, and I'm still at Martin's place. And today happens to be Sunday, November the 12th, 2023. It's Howaard Paul Shore with beautiful Pandora. Hi, sweetheart. Such a cute little kitty cat. And I don't think Pandora likes to be in videos either. And we're still in Neuquen, capital city of Argentina, but I really love these cats. They're just so sweet. And they happen to be related. I couldn't make the videos with both of them together because that would be kind of impossible. But I did it separately. So anyway, Pandora, look at the camera, sweetheart. Yeah. Are you enjoying yourself? Such a cute cat. Give me one more kiss. All right. So thank you so much for watching my video, and have a great day. Bye-bye.